Shukadeva Goswami is answering Parikshit about, or explaining to Parikshit about the power of hearing Rasa Lila. Shadanvita. If one believes it, if he actually believes Krishna has such pastimes, he has to believe it first and not doubt it. You know, he has to believe this is possible. One man can dance with 16,000 girls, or one man can expand himself, or dance so fast like an ala chakra. Ala chakra means the principle of ala means fire. Samsara davan ala lida loka. So nala ala. Davan means forest, and ala means fire. Samsara davan ala. I'm in the davan, I'm in the forest. What? And I'm being burned in the forest. Samsara. And the glorification of Guru. He's like a rain cloud. So this ala chakra, nala ala means fire. It means fire circle. Chakra means circle. So if you take a incense at night and you light it, then you offer the takraji, then turn off the light and go turn your hand in a circle, and it looks like a continuous red circle. That's called ala chakra. So it looks like there's no break. There's no break, it's continuous. Everywhere you see red, it's actually you can say it's the stream, you know, the jet trail. It's like the jet trail of the incense, agarbati, as it's going in a circular fashion, but it's going so fast that the front meets the end, so it becomes a continuous circle. So Acharyas explain that Krishna's Leela, and Gaur Leela, and Ram Leela, all the avatars' Leelas are nitya, and they're like ala chakra. So they're every single Leela, when it's happening somewhere in some material universe at the same time. So when it finishes here, then it's there. Just like if you were to take digital photography of the ala chakra with the incense example, then you can see, oh, there's some space. There's fire, then there's space. There's fire, there's space, there's fire. It's not really a line of fire. It's an optical illusion. It's an optical illusion that's created in my eye because of the speed of the red spark going in a circle. So this is so Krishna's Leela is compared to ala chakra because they say it probably use the term traveling roadshow. The circus comes to Berlin, and then they do that for 5 days, and they pack up and they go to Estonia, then they pack up and they go to Lithuania, and then they were here, the same thing there. They were just here. So but the Acharyas use the example of the ala chakra because it's continuous. It's no break. It's not because when you pack up the circus, you have 5 days to travel to Estonia. There's some break. So there's no circus for 5 days. So Krishna's Leelas, eternal means no end. No beginning, no end. They're eternally going on. So it goes from this universe to that universe. So right now, somewhere Krishna is killing Putana, and right now, somewhere Krishna is killing Kamsa, and right now, somewhere Krishna is dancing in the Rasa Leela. It's like this.